Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's the end of the week and we are about to analyze some currency pairs using the price action strategy to see if we will be able to get some nice setups for the upcoming week. Before we begin, subscribe and click the bell icon to get notification each time I upload a new video. Let's get started.
Before I begin, I want to quickly show you one of our analysis. Our predictions played out. We told you that price will drop from this point down to this level, and it did. This is how powerful price action is. We drew this bearish trend line and this consolidation and this Elliott wave pattern, the 5-wave pattern. Before we predicted this move, we predicted that price will drop from here down to this level before giving us another push up, and it did. After playing out the 5-wave pattern, we expected a drop again, and it all played out quickly. I will play that video right now so that you will see how we analyzed it.
The 5th wave is planning out, so after this last wave, expect another drop to this point. So expect USDJPY to drop.
Now you see how price action analysis is powerful. We predicted this move and it played out. So if you're not yet a subscriber, subscribe to this channel, click the bell icon, get notification each time we upload a new video. Now let's get started and analyze the currency pairs. We will begin with USDJPY. We previously had this bearish trend line, this support and this resistance, and price pushed to the upside, and now price is below here. If we draw our support level here, we will see that price has earlier rejected this support couple of times, and now price is resting this support. If we should check the overall trend, we will discover that after this bearish channel we had an impulsive move and a pullback. So if I use the Elliott wave tool, we will discover that we have our first impulsive push up and then our first pullback. This is our second impulsive push up, and then we have our second pullback, and we're expecting the last wave to play out to the upside. So if you check around this zone, we have our ABC correction pattern played out, our ABC movement. If we go down to the 4-hour chart, we will discover that the trend overall is bullish and we are expecting the last push up. So which expects this support to hold. If this support should hold, then we would have push up to the upside. We should go back to the daily time frame and see this. So we expect this last impulsive push up to play out. The next currency pair we will look at is USDCHF. I had all these tools drawn earlier. On the daily time frame, the trend is bullish. So if we scroll back to our 4-hour time frame, we will discover another major support here. So we expect this support to hold and we will have another push. No. Have another push up because the overall trend on the daily is bullish. So if this doesn't hold, then price will push down to this bullish support before going back up, or we'll have a breakout of this support and then a bearish move. It all depends on what plays out. That is why it's good to be patient and observe what is happening, the open and close of your candlesticks and your reversal stick. The next currency pair quickly is USDCAD, and I had already drawn all these tools earlier, so we don't have to waste our time drawing any again. We also predicted this up move and it and it played out. So we expect USDCAD to push up to this resistance. So we should go back to our 4-hour time frame. You can see that our predictions are playing out. We expect a further push up, but there will be another pullback before we get an impulsive push up again. So the next currency pair we will look at is New Zealand USD. So on this daily time frame, if we take a look at this, where we have a trend line and this trend line also. So now that price is almost at this bearish support, we expect price to reach this point before we have a reversal. So watch out for your candlestick reversal signals, your chart patterns, and any other reversal signal that you use. The next is New Zealand JPY, and on the weekly time frame, we previously drew this Elliott wave pattern, the first, second, third, fourth, fifth push up, and then after this price dropped to this point. So we expect price to pull back to a certain level. If we should use our Fibonacci tool here, we will determine how far price will pull back. So we expect price to reach this level before a pullback, but before it reaches to this place, we will have a minor pullback. At the next currency pair we will be looking at is GBPUSD, and on the daily time frame we had this channel. So price is now at this support, and it took months for price to push from this level to this level. So this pullback might just be a retracement of this push up, so we can have another push back up after that has played out. So we'll have something like this and a pullback before price reaching this. So on the 1 hour time frame, you should expect price to push back up. The next currency pair we will look at is EURUSD. This is the 4 hour time frame. If we go back to the monthly time frame to check the overall trend, we have previously had this bearish resistance which was broken. Now price reached the bearish support. We'll go back to our daily let's say weekly chart. We'll see that we had a pin bar, and now a spinning top is forming. It's not yet done forming, so we might have another push up because of this bearish support and this pin bar. Price will probably push to this level, but it will take a while because this is the weekly time frame. If we go back to our daily time frame, you can see price earlier broke this bearish support so that it will come to this monthly support level. Now we expect price to push up this zone. So if I should reduce, yes, this is okay. The next currency pair we'll look at is EURUGBP, and on the weekly time frame, we earlier drew this. This was drawn during our previous video, and we predicted that price will push up from this level to this resistance. If we go back to our daily time frame, price played out on what we told you guys. From this level it has pushed to this, so if you have bought, you should consider moving your stop loss to break even. So the overall trend for this EURUGBP, we expect price to push up to this resistance. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you in my next video.